to see what is Lofted cut and how we will use to cut a solid model by removing material between two or more profiles. So just section view. Okay. Now first remove this, delete this cut. Delete. Okay, now this cut is already deleted. Section view. Now we will see how to use it. We have 4 planes, so select this all 4 planes. Right click and click show. Now see this all planes showing. Now select one by one each and every plane. Select plane, sketch. Select circle and draw one circle. Exit. Now exit. Select plane 3, sketch. Select normal. Choose circle and draw one bigger circle. Exit. Now select next plane, sketch, normal. Select plane and select a plane in between these. Now again exit from this sketch also. Now select the last plane. Sketch, normal, choose circle and draw one small circle. Now exit from the sketch. Now in all 4 planes we created 4 geometries. Just sketch, select OK. Now we will see what exactly the Lofted cut will do. So select Lofted cut, select our first circle, select second circle, select third circle and select the last circle. See, it is going to cut through a path with all profiles. This all profile it is going to cut along with profile. This guided curve we will see in our next lecture what exactly is guided curve and what are the things. And this all thin options, this all we will do in our coming tutorials. Select OK. See, we cut a hollow shape in SolidWorks. It looks like a bottle. Just uncheck section view and see it is cut, look like a hollow. So this is the main function of Lofted cut, to remove any material from a 3D or solid model.